everybody. Our next adventure is on the Namakagon River, and with me I have TJ and Ashley, my son Zach, that's home from China, and of course you guys know Runner. We're up here for 3 days, 2 nights. You can see the colors are starting to turn, so it's going to be a beautiful trip. The temperatures are going to be highs right around 70 degrees, which is about 18 Celsius, and it's going to get down only to maybe 60 degrees if we're lucky, into the 50s, which is 13 Celsius. So it's going to be a warm, beautiful weather. It's going to be a great trip. I don't know what you guys are thinking, but I'm excited to get out here.
It's beautiful, easy ride, beautiful weather, perfect day for it.
Yep. Runner?
You know, Runner's always excited to be out in the wilderness with the Marine and the rest of the family here. So should be a wonderful couple days. So they're very excited about it. The weather's starting out so good, and it's supposed to get a little better even. So anxious to use my Superior hammock tonight.
Yeah, and we have Ashley. You know, being a woman here, what's your perspective of being with a bunch of manly guys? You got a lot of
and the Marine.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
masculinity going here.
It's normal for me. It's normal for me. I'm used to it, and I fit right in. So
She absolutely
I'm one
does
of the
fit in.
guys.
She's one of the guys, and probably more of the guys than some of these guys here.
We're trying to keep up with ourselves.
Yeah. So we're off. We stopped to have lunch. We just ate our lunch here, and now we're going to head out, and we're going to go down the river a couple more miles, look for a campsite for tonight, and we're going to set up, and we'll meet you down there.
And you can tell this is the Namakagon River by the way it is.
Yeah, that is a river. This isn't a prop.
And we've been doing this for many years. We thought, we think nature is pretty neat, so we
just wanted everyone to know.
We just wanted, so we invited these guys to come up just so it's not just TJ and I knowing it.
No, you don't want to come here. No, stay away.
What is that guy up to?
Can we go right here?
Where's Runner going? Yeah. Yeah, just like...
It's like chickens.
That looks like a nice clean spot.
Yeah. A couple of acorns that we don't want to lay on.
Yeah. What do you think of that Superior hammock?
It's easy. Didn't have to set up my underquilt. Get that adjusted. Came ready to rock and roll.
You're gonna drown.
There's some big rocks here smashing my feet. And the current's stronger than you think. I just wish I had my Keen water shoes. I wouldn't have to worry. I can move a lot faster. Look how dry that is too.
Try on meat leg.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you seen that?
Oh yeah, I mean, I sit at that window. I see everything that happens right there.
Oh,
Wow.
look out. Axeman. Watch out, Greg.
Watch out for your camera.
That'd be good footage.
I think Rob's better.
All right, this is coming to you.
One is the group one that we always stay at.
Carry up stuff up that steep hill.
Yeah, but once you're up there,
It's great. It's great.
Yeah. Put that on your hand.
You cleaning that pan?
burning it.
We were looking at the new triggers at Costco yesterday. Kind of got the bug to trade up.
You get a new one? Oh, okay.
I don't know if yours bent.
Yeah, I saw his was bent up.
Because I talked to the guy about that.
We got camp set up. We're winding down. We got a fire going. We're gonna get the steaks on the grill. We have what do we got? Brats?
Got brats.
What do you got? Runner?
Ribeye.
Ribeye.
Wow.
Ribeye. Look at this guy. He used to have poor man's mountain house, and now he moved up to ribeye. Man.
It's got a chair with arms too. Look at that.
Yes. Look at this guy. We did what? 14 miles. We got probably 14 tomorrow, and then after that we'll head into the St. Croix River. And it's just a beautiful day. It started raining. We put on our rain jackets, and as soon as we put the rain jackets on, the rain stopped. And so these guys took the rain jacket, these two guys, and I'm worried that it's going to start raining. You guys got to get the rain jackets on because otherwise it's going to rain. That's how it works up here. But it's just a beautiful night. You guys want to add anything?
Looking forward to some good steaks. Nice campfire. Hopefully no more rain.
Yep.
Hopefully a little bit more fish tomorrow. He caught one. We seen two. That's about it.
There's a fish right out here. We're trying to get it. Well, Zach was trying to get it. It's sitting there flashing us right there.
Is it a fish?
It has to be.
What is that?
You were in there.
That is a fish.
Maybe it's somebody's bait.
No, it's a fish. There's a fish there. Zach's going to try to get him.
There's only 4 in there.
Let's see if he even remotely chases it.
Looks like a brown trout.
He's going over him right now. Does he even look?
Didn't even give it a look.
Didn't even give it a
It
look.
went right behind it.
We're going to tell you about the one that got away.
No, it's just a great day.
Great
With,
day.
Well, you know what? We are gonna try something else tonight. We'll report back. We're gonna make Rice Krispie Scotcheroos in a s'mores.
We're going
See
to put
what
on a
happens.
stick.
We're
We're
gonna
going to
see.
put it over the fire. We're going to melt that Rice Krispie little bar with chocolate on there with butterscotch, and we're going to put it between 2 graham crackers.
It's gonna be
And it's
amazing.
going to be just, well, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll let you know.
We'll let you
And
know.
if you listen,
What?
the eagles.
Oh, yeah, the eagle's right over here.
Yep.
The Namakagon is
Stopped
it's 120
raining. Yeah, it
miles.
stopped raining.
How long is
Yeah.
that Namakagon? I believe it's 120 miles. If not, I'll put it right there, and that will be the mileage. But I believe it's 120 some miles. So
Yeah.
we're going.
Don't come here.
Yeah.
Anyway,
The fishing sucks.
We're on. No, I'm sorry, it's not the Namakagon. This is Perkins Creek, and it could get a little narrow and buggy. So, but be
Schitt's
prepared.
Schitt's Creek, right?
Schitt's Creek.
You're
Yeah,
being
you'll be up
selfish.
Schitt's Creek going on Perkins Creek.
Well, that ribeye's got a nice flame on it.
Oh, look at that, Greg. Look at that. The broths are starting to leak.
Good.
You see this one heating up.
I want them just squirting.
I have to bring a couple of ribeyes home with me.
Yeah, there you go. That'd be
Oh yeah,
perfect.
now there's color on it.
Man, the difference between the two, like I had to jam that in there where Greg was just... Should've went with the ribeye.
The restaurant right on Main Street in Spooner,
I don't think they're. Oh, there it goes.
There it goes. There goes the sizzle.
Juicing.
There we go.
And there goes runner steak getting burnt.
Yeah, that's a thin steak.
How do you like
So I
it,
gotta
runner?
burn- He
Well
said he
done?
wants it medium.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna get it well.
No.
I'll pull it back a little, maybe.
Another minute, and then I would.
I know. I think it's. For me, I would have pulled it off now, but I like mine medium rare.
What it looks like.
Cow tongue. That's what we're having.
Yeah, but hopefully it tastes good.
That looks like a buffalo tongue.
No, it's so hot and smoky.
Be careful,
shoots.
the holes
He
are bigger
scores.
right there
Lose it.
too. There you go.
Oh, it's so hot. Just deal with the pain.
Maybe a little bit longer time in the
Yeah,
pocket.
they're moved enough. He can put his steak on there. Yeah, you can stab it at all.
I know. No, it's just not.
You
as-
eating? Good eating, like they say
Slap
on
it
the
on there.
home cooking show.
You watch a home
Have to
cooking
roll
show?
that broth.
Well, because my wife makes me.
Oh yeah, look at
Yeah,
that.
there you go.
Yum.
Good dogs there.
Yeah, these need
Probably
to
want
get
to
in
put them up in the flame more.
runner's
Well-
runner's grease.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Pressure.
Move those coals.
It's just getting the brats more.
Sounds like it's about to explode.
Get it quick.
Oh, I can't see anymore.
Oh, it's juicing.
Okay.
Pull her. I would like to get it on some flame just to get a little char
Do you
on
think
it.
those brats are done?
Okay.
Oh, the smoke in the eyes.
Oh, painful. Oh yeah, now that steak is.
Yeah, there we go. Now we're getting the grill marks.
Oh yeah. Can you hold that for a second? I'll slide this down.
Table. What's the verdict? It's unbelievably hot still.
Would you want
Is it?
some sauce?
Yeah, that's good.
Ribeye isn't off limits if you're on food stamps, though. You can go there and get lobster and ribeye if you want.
Yep.
Now we know for next time. Either New Yorker or ribeye. Yeah.
I think I can, my glasses are really dirty.
You
There
want
we
me
go.
to look at it?
You got it crispy out there?
I'm gonna see what happens.
Oh, you went too. You almost went. You went too far.
Oh, uh-oh.
Are you just done?
Where's the crispies?
Why did you?
Right here.
How is it?
Pretty good.
This is a ridiculous sandwich.
It does add a nice, crispy, peanut buttery chocolate flavor.
Look at that.
Alright, my turn. Is the 2 marshmallows good or?
Put the marshmallow on the, what is that thing called?
Skewer?
Where's that Rice Krispie bar? It's on your lap. Put it on.
I have to heat
You
it
gotta
up.
heat it up.
Oh, we gotta heat that bad
Marshmallows
boy
are
up.
roasted to perfection.
Yeah. This
Little
one
Rice
might
Krispie
fall.
bar with chocolate on. We heat that up,
Flame of death.
and then we go to the doctor's to check our arteries.
Don't touch it.
Pack it in there. Pack it back.
Here, this is your mess.
Oh gosh. What? That's how you give it to me? Looks like it has hair on it.
It's just mellow.
You just melted it. You
How
crispy
is it?
melted.
How is it? Come on, be
It's
honest.
good.
Is it?
It's actually it's pretty good.
All right. You gonna have one, Runner?
No, I don't think so, Maureen,
Why not?
because the
Let me see your teeth. Did you clean them? Did you clean those teeth?
You still have your toothpaste,
done
Andy?
flossing. We'll brush later.
Here, Zach. At your age, do you still have your teeth?
No, I said, do you have your toothpaste?